You realize you just brought me down to 55 from 65? Right behind a cop? You're gonna do that shit? Get in front of me just to slam on your brakes. Wow. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. He's driving in the shoulder. I don't know what he's doing. Now he indicates.
So a lot of police and fire department activity there and a lot of slow traffic as everybody slows down to take a peek. Also the Lincoln and the Holland tunnel. Passing LaGuardia, very heavy from the Long Island Expressway into Q. Stays heavy all the way out toward the
another signal, come on.
Also in
What the hell's that truck doing? He just missed his opportunity to go. He was sitting there.
Into the NBA, the Knicks last night came up short, losing against the Minnesota Timberwolves in overtime. The Knicks go again tonight against the Philadelphia 76ers. Back-to-back nights, the Knicks playing again. When you take 2 seconds,
and you had to make a left turn.
Safer business at Choice Hotels and visit choicehotels.com for great endings begin. A moment of the day. Everybody tips, see? Everybody tips. Let me just say one thing. You guys all remember the story in Long Island this past. Rodriguez with that report. A new poll finds most New Yorkers think corruption is a big problem in Albany. WCBS reporter Rich Lamb has the numbers. Quinnipiac's Maurice Carroll says it's as close to unanimous as you're going to get in a poll. 89% of New York.
Come on, people.
Chase Denise Meadow, what's up, Chase?
Oh, that could have been bad. And that was even...
First, I agree with you on the goaltending call. I mean, it was a
Yikes.
terrible call against the game.
Wow. Way the fuck red.
To the tournament for the first time at Northeastern.
What?
It is ninth season,
Oh my
145 and 144 is the career record.
Yeah, kind of in an intersection there.
Born and raised. Yeah, what do you mean my accent's funny to you? I don't know what you're saying. What are you talking about?
Oh, come on. What was that for?
Come on.
Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me. Yeah, why'd you have to do that? Couldn't you like merge like, I don't know, miles ago? Yep, same guy over the solid line. Cannot, and also the Jetta too. I don't know why they had to do that.
Just carry on, don't rejoice every time you hear the sound of
Oh, and I thought I was last minute getting over. How's that?
My car, however, is totally fucked up. Even the GPS in the car is going, I don't know where the
What
fuck I
the
am.
fuck?
A goddamn tree just jumped out at me.
That's fucking stupid. How are people like everywhere losing their minds? Oh jeez, I got a right-hand turn coming up. Let's be in the left lane. Yeah, that's definitely another red light runner. Yeah, you see a big white truck in this lane with no one behind it. Oh, eating something. Who's just sitting there?
Times in December and January, the 30-year-old Ryan Cottrell is facing charges. The copper typing and
That's a stop sign, FedEx guy. Oh, what are you kidding me? He's backing up and turning left.
this is the men's basketball tournament.
If you're drinking tonight, make sure your evening ends in the
Sitting
best
at green.
way possible.
You're sitting
It
at
is
green.
not to drink and drive. A
you
reminder
go.
from the New York City Department.
This denies he did anything illegal. From Garwood, New Jersey, Alex Silverman, WCBS News Radio 880.
Robert Kennedy Jr. today
Oh.
called the federal agency that oversees vaccines a...
Stars are earning in that range.
It was 100% red.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Denzel. For 50 years, the station you know, the people you trust. 10-10 wins.
All news, all the time. This is 10-10 wins.
What are you?
Give us 22 minutes.
What are you?
We'll give
Oh, fuck you too, asshole! You're going on YouTube, motherfucker.
Reporting on this Wednesday, March 25th. I'm Kathleen Markle, and here's what's happening. A massive drug bust in Rockland County, dozens arrested in a heroin and prescription ring.
Yeah, fuck you too. I got both up.
Underage drinking incident. Way down to a little bit west of Flatbush Avenue.
Whoa.
North of Rockaway,
Why'd you stop?
Boulevard and continuing all the way up toward the Grand.
Double it. I'm growing my team in your area, and I'm looking for help. I have...
Of course not. But that's the one guy. Don't miss this week's Tax Tuesdays with Crow Horwath, helping you stay current on new and ongoing tax information.
Stop line is way back here.
When you're in a small organization.
Yeah, left turn from the middle lane. And of course, that was a red arrow for the left turn. And your light was red. I guess I got extended green. Okay. Yeah, you ran a red light. What are you doing? Learn where your turns are.
See one of these planes just fall out of the sky from 38,000 feet.
The cruise portion of the flight is statistically the safest.
It involves the least
Hours before kickoff. In that event, the designated home area
There is
for
no
viewers
right
blacked
turn
out
lane.
on television. League also planning to broadcast a game next season.
no. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I just love how we have all these do not block driveway signs, and yet we have to block driveways.
Good friend of mine, I've introduced you before, a big football guy. Yeah. They've sold more tickets in the last 30 days than any 30 days.
945-4853.
Not over yet.
www.ilost.
Wow. That's last second. People are barely, are not even moving. Oh, what the fuck? People turn right when they're not supposed to. You are not jaywalking, are you?
Because of the way the game's turning out with one out in
The line's back here.
And then you maybe go to Miller the next night.
We're talking baseball, and I'm not a baseball guy. What are you doing? You were... Yeah, fuck you too. Going on YouTube, bitch.
Langston Galloway at Team I-19 in defeat. Knicks were without Hardaway, Anthony, Hardaway early. Schmidt and Ware might be
The dress shirts and ties you need to round out your look are on sale right now, and you can save 30 to 40% off shoes and boots.
Oh my God, he almost head on collision with that guy.
In a while, you definitely need to go check it out. Why?
And he had to do that.
Comment on that because I don't know if he did what. Well, I'm not going to comment on that.
Yeah, let's jaywalk across traffic that's moving. Instead of using a crosswalk that was right there.
PMI Advantage can give you more options, more flexibility, and may save you thousands when you refinance. To learn more, call us at 800-QUICKEN.
That's a hard stop.
QUICKEN, or visit us at
Outstanding work, sir.
And is produced in the USA. BioHeat Fuel is delivered to your home by a BioHeat Fuel supplier. BioHeat, cleaner and greener oil heat.